I know you love slimes, but I'm gonna make something magical today. I selected 5 magical tricks for you to try. They are simple and interesting. And with that all being said, let's get right into the video. The first one, I'm going to levitate. Yes, you heard it right. I can fly. Don't believe me? Take a look. Cool, huh? Wanna know how it works? Here we go. The next one is about flying, but there's a little trick to it. You put your finger right here and nobody can see it. It looks like magic. I'm gonna make the straw move using the power of my mind. And here's how I do it. 2 more left. Now I'm gonna make a coin appear. Look. I'm gonna make a hole in a paper glass full of water and it won't leak. Nice, huh? Like magic tricks? I think it's a great way to have fun with your friends. Comment down below about your 2 favorite tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click a bell, and give it a big thumb up if you like magic tricks. Why you need to click a bell? To see more interesting videos like DIYs, hacks, maybe some stuff for girls. I know girls, you like it.